Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing this Black Widow white suit for the Black Widow movie. So, yeah. First, I'm gonna go over the accessories that it comes with. Now, first, I'm gonna look at the stand that it comes with. This stand is a whole bunch of ways you can move like that, this, that. You can also put in each of these dots or holes, whatever you want to call it. So you're supposed to place Black Widow right there side. So yeah, you can move it. That is, you can also rotate right here, but can't do it. Have one hand. So yeah, that's how it moves. Now let's go to the other accessories. Now these right here are the other accessories right here. This one actually broke. I don't know how to fix that. I do not know how to fix that. So yeah. You also have these three that are actually stuck together. I don't think any of these broke. None of these broke. Yeah, this one that is actually not broken. And we have this big thing right here that I'm going to use a lot. I'm going to use all of these a lot when I play toys. Especially this one. Now, there's still more accessories, so let's go to that. So, these are the next ones right here. You have this gun holding hand. This is relaxed hands. Relaxed hands. Relaxed hands. These right here are the gun hands. Right here. The gun hands. See? Y'all see. Y'all not blind. And we also have a gun. This gun actually looks pretty good. Just a regular gun. No, not that much detail. Yeah. And we have these things right here. Don't really know what they're called, but I can use them. And we have these electric things that goes on her wrist right here. I'll probably show that later. I don't know how I will, though. But, fish hands. Did I show the fish hands yet? The fist, not fish. You got the nice white right here. So let's go over Black Widow. Now, is a good head sculpt for Scarlett Johansson. Well, she looks pretty cool. You know, got the nice hair. Looks exactly like her. You know. Yeah, well, the gun's actually for good here. I'll show you. See? Look, it just goes in, but not a problem. Wiggle it up, rub it down. Wait, what? Wait, never mind. But, no problem. So, yeah. So, looks pretty cool. You see that little red right there? Yep. It goes, if all this gear stuff wasn't here, the suit would just be all plain and not really anything. See the hills that we're doing these. Yeah. Can we look up? Look, she looks down pretty good, but up. Nope. Yeah. Like if I should do stop motions. If I should do stop motions, like and subscribe if I should do stop motions. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. These could come off. You gotta take the hand off to, take it off. Pretty cool. I really like this toy a lot. So yeah, that's it. That's about it for this toy. And if y'all want to see more, subscribe to Sharmus Prime, and he'll show you some things. I can't really show y'all because I'm one-handed. So yeah, I was gonna show y'all some. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures of me posing the toy. So yeah. But when I say that, I mean I'm gonna take pictures of the toy. But hopefully I don't press the button to end the video. So if I do, I'm sorry.